Hi guys, this video I promised you I would do this morning. It's how to make colloidal silver, and you want to drink this like 4 or 5 times a day. It's not going to hurt you. You can drink as much as you want. And the myths about drinking colloidal silver turning blue, it's only if you add salt in it, guys. They put salt to make it hurry up, but it makes it toxic. It does it in like half the time. This will take like an hour or over an hour. If you have good batteries, which I'm hoping these are still good. It's 4 9-volt batteries interlinked. That's my power source. It would be best to get them brand new. These are old. I might not be able to even do this video if these are dead, because I don't have any more. I'd have to get some more from the store. But they put salt in it, and it makes the skin turn blue over time permanently, like that blue guy on YouTube. Don't put salt in it and you're fine. And I wouldn't take this on a daily basis, like every day, month after month, year after year. I don't think it'll hurt you, but it's best just to take it when you're sick or when you feel like a scratching in the throat. I had somewhat of a tickly, scratchy feeling in my throat yesterday. And I took colloidal silver and it's gone this morning. Maybe just a hint of like scratchiness left. And that was the beginning of the flu. That was how my mom started. And this knocks it out. If you catch it, you can stop anything if you catch it early enough. So what I did, let me show you. And you can get this from any website that sells pure 99.999% silver. That's the silver rods you get from your store, from the website. And this is a piece of styrofoam packing out of a box I ordered something, and some speaker wire that I've hooked to the end. It's curled through the top, and I fastened it with gray tape. And these are what inserts into your jar. You put it like this, you drop it down in your distilled water with the reverse osmosis, and you hook the other ends of your alligator clips to your 9-volt batteries. And you let it sit there, and then it's best to have, almost everybody has these little laser pointers. If you have pets, you shine a little red light on the ground and they run after it. That's what you need. What you'll do, when it's about done, that's the way you know it's done. You shine it through the glass and you'll see the red laser beam go clear all the way through. You won't see nothing in water. You won't see no laser beam, but it reflects off the silver particles. When you see a laser beam, that's what you're seeing. It's microscopic particles that this catches. Alright, so I'm going to start the process. I'm going to fill my jug with the reverse osmosis distilled water that you can get at any grocery store. It's pure water. And then I'm going to stop the video and come back as it progresses. And I'll have to redo this video completely if these batteries are dead, guys. So, catch you on the next round in a minute. Yeah, I almost forgot, guys. You want to microwave your distilled water to boiling in the microwave. But be careful, because if you do it too much, when you insert the rods, it bubbles over really fast and you might get scalded. So not if it's like just started boiling, but if like you forgot, it's boiling and boiling and boiling. When you put this in, it goes everywhere and you might get burned. So put it in slowly, take it out. Put it in slowly, take it out until all the energy dissipates. Then you can drop it in like that. I just wanted to add that. Alright guys. Alright guys. The water's boiled in the microwave. And I put the rods in, like I showed you on camera, and it didn't have a reaction. It was boiled. Trust me, it was boiling. So that's good. It didn't overboil or anything. So now we clip our... Move this back some so you can see. I clip the alligator clips on that way. Oh, sorry guys. Alright. Alright, I got my one clip there, my other clip there, like that. it's best just to lay it down and don't move it, because these do come off. Alright, now they're attached. And I'm hoping that I can catch some bubbles. Move it. That's the wire in the way, guys. Okay. Yeah, I do see some bubbles. I hope it's coming out on camera. Let me turn on that other light and see if that's better. And actually, let me turn this jug around. Wow, it's hot. There. I wonder if that helped. I'm trying to catch bubbles rising. Yeah, I think I see on camera on the little LED screen. So that means that the batteries do have some juice. It's not a lot of juice, but it's some juice. So after it cools off, you want to microwave it again. You want to scrub down the silver wire with some kind of clean scrubber from the sink and get all that soot. It'll create black soot. Or if it starts to create a lot of black soot, it's time to take it out, wash the rods, microwave your water again, and come and hook it back up. And then the water should turn kind of yellowish. When it starts to turn yellowish, stop, because that's enough silver. And then that should knock out a cold or a flu if you take enough of it. Alright guys, I'll catch you on the next time when it starts to turn silver, that's what I'm trying to say. When it starts to turn goldish color, I'll come back and film that. Alright? Alright guys, it's done. It's slightly yellow, as you can tell. I can see it through the screen. And we're going to take our pointer and put it at the edge and press. Right, where's there? See the beam? It's kind of hard to see on the camera. There it goes. When you see a beam going through the glass like that, there it is. See the beam? That's silver particles. So there you have it. It'll be much more brighter in real life, and you need a much more stronger laser pointer, because this one's about dead, guys. Alright, so that's it for how you make colloidal silver. Hope that helps you. Hope it saves you a doctor bill if you catch your flu or cold, whatever, early enough. And I'll catch you on the next upload, guys.